You're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene.
And today we're going to do something, again, a little bit different. This fall, Irene went to Disney World with our daughter. They had a great time. They went and tasted all kinds of different kind of foods at the International Food Festival. But, ouch, don't bite. But one of the things that they did was they went on a specific ride. And we've been on that ride many, many times over the years. But this time, it made a special impact on me, at least. The cartoon placed Irene and Jennifer in the cartoon and had them doing all manner of different things. So, what we've done is we've edited together a series of things from our homestead and compared it to what's going on at Disney World. We hope you enjoy the show. It's everybody on the couch night tonight.
Apparently, it's a party. And somebody forgot to tell us.
Yeah, so Jack's here and Issa's here, and we're having a great time. Well, Except Issa bit me a bunch of times because she wanted to groom me, and now she wants to be up on top of Jack. And thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day. Please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button for notifications.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, Cat. You bit me twice.
I pulled a bunch of burrs out of his fur. I have no idea where he got them from today.